Hi guys, I'm just doing this short video because I've been trying to update this little device recently. I've spent a few hours trying to do so. I was stuck on version 5.2 of the firmware of this Packtalk Bold, but I wasn't getting anywhere. I really looked up on the internet to find a solution. It has been quite difficult for me to find anything on the topic. To give you the point, I was willing to upgrade to the 5.6 version. I was using the web-based application that I'm showing you on the screen at the moment. So this page. It wasn't really showing me a possibility to upgrade while the application on my iPhone was saying that there was a new version, so the 5.6. So it was a bit getting nuts because I couldn't find the way to upgrade the device itself. I uninstalled everything on my computer. I also did a factory reset. It was not leading anywhere. I also found on internet that Cardo did a new upgrade application for the computer, for Windows and Mac, I guess. And so I also downloaded this one. I started it on my computer. Let me also show you what it looks like. So this is their new application that you can have on your computer, and it literally just says to plug in your device, and then you will see the upgrade that you have to launch. That's what I tried several times. It wasn't recognizing the device on my computer, and it wasn't showing anything on that screen. So I was really getting crazy, and the idea is just actually to do it the other way around. So before launching this application on your computer, you just have to actually plug in your Cardo device first into your computer. You hear that it's been recognized, and then as from then you launch the program, and then you will see the firmware available. Then I hope this video helped you. If it did, please just let me know. I don't intend to do any kind of review on the product because there are already tons of them. But if you would like to have another short video as this one with my opinion on the use of the Cardo Packtalk Bold, please just let me know. I'll be happy to do so. Bye.